We are very happy to be here at the first Kuwaiti Orthodontic Symposium, which we as CAP have had the great pleasure to organize together with the wonderful team of Kuwaiti Orthodontic Society, and in particular Dr. Ziad Al-Zayat. We're also blessed by the Kuwaiti Dental Association, and a big thank you to Dr. Mohammed Dashti for supporting this event and for making it possible that we are able to bring some very good, some great and awesome international orthodontic speakers here for the Kuwaiti Orthodontics Society. So with this event we try to bring a mixture of international speakers from different backgrounds, from different schools of thought, and combine it also with doctors and orthodontists which are practicing here locally but also regionally, to come with a blended orthodontic symposium. And we're very lucky to have participants from, of course, Kuwait, which are the majority, but also doctors from Saudi Arabia, from Bahrain, from Kuwait, from Oman, from Qatar, and we are very happy that they have taken their time to be here for the one-day symposium. But also tomorrow we have a one-day, full-day course in TAD